everybody. This is Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen, and I got a quick couple of things for you today. We'd like to thank all of our new subscribers and all of the people that are sharing the Carpizzo's Kitchen to Facebook and YouTube and other places besides where you're at under your names. And also, thank you for liking with the thumbs up. We appreciate it. So real quick, the other day you saw me make some really delicious scrambled eggs. Here are some beautiful, beautiful whisks. They come in small, medium, and large. And these have steel balls inside. And that's how you get the nice aerated eggs. So remember that. Google it, go to Amazon, and remember, I'll see you again from Pete's Carpizzo's Kitchen. Bye, everybody. Like us, share us, and subscribe. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.